Hey, man. All right, man. I'm gonna do a quick video. I'm gonna show you how to check voltage on a gas battery. I'm gonna show you a way how to do it where you have to put it under a load. All right, so what you want to do here, put your voltmeter on both DC 20. I say this on every video, but I'm gonna keep saying it because some people, maybe the first time watching the video, V with a straight line, both DC. And then I'm gonna take the red lead, which is gonna be your positive. You see the positive there, black lead on the negative. So I'm gonna take my red lead, stick it in there, my black lead, and stick it in there. You can see right now we have, right now we have 12 volts. The customer complained about they come to a stop sign, hit the gas, and the car don't crank up. So what we're gonna do is, I got the key on, got my tow switch, and maintenance. This is a club car, but this is an example for any gas battery. I'm gonna turn my key on, and then we're going to, see right now, without under a load, you're looking at 12 volts. All right, when I hit the gas, all right, that time it done good. All right, there you go, you see it? Under a load, when the engine gets to compression stroke, which is the most resistance on the battery, the most draw to get past compression stroke, that's when you see voltage drops, which means the battery just bad. But what I'm gonna do here, if you wanted to, I'm gonna take it and just rotate the clutch and get it off compression stroke. Like if you get stranded on the side of the road and you're trying to get back home, you can get this off compression stroke and then hit the gas. Try to get it off again. All right. Sometimes you can hit it, you get it to past it, or you can get enough juice to get back home. All right, this battery's so dead it ain't gonna do it. But all right, man, I just want to show you that quick video, man. Make sure anytime you test the battery, you put it under a load. All right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll post some more.